Spanning an icy expanse of over 5.4 million square miles, Antarctica, the southernmost continent, is a vast and enigmatic land that conceals a plethora of secrets beneath its icy surface. Unlike any other place on Earth, Antarctica is a realm of extremes, from bone-chilling temperatures to breathtaking landscapes that seem untouched by time. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to uncover the top 20 discoveries in Antarctica, where every glacier and snowfield holds a tale waiting to be told. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of this frozen wilderness and unveil the remarkable findings that have captivated scientists and explorers alike. Number 1. Ancient forest. Imagine Antarctica not as a frozen wasteland, but as a lush rainforest teeming with life. That's the picture painted by fossilized wood and leaf impressions discovered beneath the ice cap. These fossils tell a remarkable story. Around 180 million years ago, when dinosaurs roamed the Earth, Antarctica had a warm and humid climate. Conifers, ferns, and flowering plants carpeted the landscape, fed by plentiful rainfall and bathed in sunlight for months on end. The discovery of these fossilized remains not only provides evidence of this ancient ecosystem, but also hints at the dramatic climate change that transformed Antarctica into the icy continent we know today. Number 2. Oldest worm. Deep beneath the pristine white cloak of Antarctica lies a remarkable testament to the resilience of life. A 50-million-year-old worm fossil, the oldest of its kind ever found. Unearthed from sediment cores drilled through the thick ice sheet, this microscopic creature offers a tantalizing glimpse into the ancient marine ecosystem that thrived in Antarctica's warmer past. Imagine a time when Antarctica wasn't a frozen wasteland, but a lush continent with rainforests and bustling marine life. This was the stage where these ancient worms flourished, their tiny bodies wriggling through the sediment on the sea floor. Their fossilized remains, preserved in exquisite detail, provide scientists with a treasure trove of information about their anatomy, evolution, and even the environment they inhabited. Number 3. Blue ice caves. Hidden beneath the vast white landscape of Antarctica lie mesmerizing blue ice caves. These natural wonders form when meltwater carves its way through the ancient ice sheet, creating tunnels and chambers with walls that shimmer with an ethereal blue light. This luminescence arises from the ice's density and lack of air bubbles, which allows it to scatter sunlight more efficiently. But the beauty of these caves goes beyond their visual splendor. Some of them may contain liquid water that has been trapped for millions of years, potentially harboring unique microbial life forms that have evolved in isolation. Number 4. Blood falls. Imagine a stark white glacier stretching across the vast Antarctic landscape, then picture a crimson waterfall cascading down its side, staining the pristine ice with a vibrant red hue. This is blood falls, a mesmerizing natural phenomenon that has captivated scientists and explorers for over a century. But the blood-like appearance is an illusion. This liquid blood is actually saltwater rich in iron oxide, giving it its startling color. The source of this brine lies beneath the glacier, trapped in a subglacial lake formed millions of years ago. This ancient lake, isolated from sunlight and air, creates a unique environment where iron-rich minerals oxidize, producing the rusty red color. The discovery of blood falls in 1911 by Australian geologist Griffith Taylor sparked intrigue and speculation. Initially, he attributed the red color to red algae, but further research revealed the true culprit, iron. While blood falls itself isn't home to macroscopic life, the subglacial lake where it originates could potentially harbor microbial communities adapted to the cold, dark, and iron-rich environment. Number 5. McMurdo Station ATM. Nestled amongst the research labs and living quarters of McMurdo Station, the largest scientific hub in Antarctica, sits an unexpected sight, an ATM. This lone outpost of banking, installed by Wells Fargo, might seem incongruous in such a remote and icy location. However, the ATM serves a vital purpose for the researchers stationed there. McMurdo is essentially a small town, complete with shops, bars, and even a bowling alley. Having access to an ATM allows researchers to withdraw cash for purchases and avoid the logistical and financial challenges of sending money to such a remote location. So if you ever find yourself visiting McMurdo Station, don't be surprised to find yourself sipping a hot chocolate and swiping your card at the world's southernmost and loneliest ATM. Number 6. Giant Hole. What lies beneath the ice? In the frigid embrace of the Weddell Sea, a colossal hole measuring the size of the Netherlands was discovered in 2019. This wasn't a natural ice crack, but rather a massive cavity beneath the ice shelf, potentially caused by geothermal activity melting the ice from below. The revelation threw open doors to intriguing questions. What lies hidden beneath the icy surface? Could this be a glimpse into a vast network of subglacial lakes, potentially teeming with unknown life forms? Scientists are eager to probe this icy void. Radar surveys suggest the presence of liquid water below the hole, possibly a lake hundreds of feet deep. Understanding the origin and dynamics of this lake and its connection to the Weddell Sea could be crucial in predicting future changes in Antarctica's ice sheets and their impact on global sea levels. The giant hole serves as a reminder of the hidden forces shaping this remote continent and the vast secrets it holds beneath its icy veil. Number 7. Pyramid Peak. In the stark beauty of the Transantarctic Mountains, where wind and ice reign supreme, rises a natural monument that seems plucked from ancient Egypt, Pyramid Peak. Its sharp angles and towering presence, piercing the icy blue sky, earned it this captivating name. But unlike its namesake, Pyramid Peak boasts no polished stones or hidden tombs. Rather, it's a rugged masterpiece sculpted by millions of years of relentless erosion. Imagine the forces at play, howling winds whipping across the frozen landscape, carving into the mountains like an invisible chisel. Meltwater from fleeting summers trickles down, etching its mark on the rock face. Over millennia, these relentless sculptors have transformed ordinary rock into a mesmerizing sight. The peak's distinctive banded appearance arises from layers of differently colored rock exposed by the erosion, a geological barcode recording Antarctica's long and tumultuous history. Pyramid Peak isn't just a visual spectacle, it's a geological treasure trove. Studying its rock layers tells a story of ancient Gondwana, a supercontinent that once encompassed Antarctica. As tectonic plates shifted and continents drifted apart, the mountains rose, revealing these fossilized chapters of Earth's past. Each layer whispers of ancient seas, volcanic eruptions, and periods of glaciation, painting a vivid picture of a continent in constant flux. Number 8. 300,000 meteorites, waiting to be found. Beneath the vast white expanse of Antarctica, a hidden treasure hunt unfolds. Scattered across the icy plains like fallen stars trapped in time, lie an estimated 300,000 meteorites, a number dwarfing the 45,000 already discovered. This makes Antarctica the world's premier meteorite paradise, a frozen time capsule holding clues to the formation of our solar system. Why such abundance? Antarctica's frigid temperatures and dry climate act as nature's perfect preservation chamber. Unlike most regions where meteorites weather and erode, Antarctica's icy grip keeps them pristine, offering scientists a glimpse into the early stages of planet formation and the composition of asteroids and comets. Imagine holding a rock that traveled millions of kilometers through space, landing untouched on Earth millions of years ago. Each meteorite tells a unique story, revealing the secrets of its cosmic journey. Some contain ancient minerals and organic molecules, hinting at the building blocks of life in the universe. Others hold clues to the violent collisions and gravitational forces that shaped our solar system. Beyond scientific value, the meteorite hunt is an adventure in itself. Researchers traverse vast, icy landscapes, their eyes scanning for the telltale gleam of a dark rock against the white backdrop. Each discovery sparks excitement, unlocking a piece of the cosmic puzzle and potentially rewriting our understanding of the universe's origins. Number 9. Active volcano, Mount Erebus. In the heart of Antarctica, where ice reigns supreme and temperatures plummet, a fiery anomaly pierces the sky. Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on Earth. Its plume of smoke and steam, a constant reminder of the powerful forces that lie beneath the icy surface, adds a touch of drama to the otherwise stark landscape. Unlike most volcanoes, Erebus doesn't spew molten lava flows. Instead, its eruptions release a mixture of hot gases and tephra, a fine volcanic ash, painting the sky with a surreal spectacle. This unique behavior stems from its unusual magma composition, rich in volatile elements like sulfur and chlorine, which keep the lava at lower temperatures and promote explosive eruptions. But Erebus is more than just a visual spectacle. It plays a crucial role in shaping Antarctica's environment. Volcanic heat melts the surrounding ice, creating meltwater lakes and oases that support microbial life in this frigid world. Additionally, the volcanic gases released from Erebus contribute to atmospheric studies, offering insights into Earth's internal processes and potentially even volcanic activity on other planets. Number 10. Fish diversity. Beneath the icy grip of Antarctica, where temperatures plummet and sunlight becomes a fleeting guest, lurks a hidden marvel, an extraordinary diversity of fish life. Adapted to survive in the planet's coldest waters, these fishes showcase the remarkable resilience and ingenuity of nature. Antarctica's fish fauna boasts over 200 identified species, each with unique adaptations to thrive in the frigid realm. Among these remarkable creatures, the iconic icefish reigns supreme. Devoid of red blood cells which would otherwise freeze in these sub-zero temperatures, the icefish relies on an anti-freeze protein in its blood to keep it flowing. This adaptation allows it to hunt and scavenge for food along the sea floor, its translucent body nearly invisible against the icy backdrop. Beyond the icefish, a kaleidoscope of other forms paint the Antarctic seascape. The giant squid, a colossal predator reaching lengths of up to 43 feet, lurks in the abyssal depths, its enormous eyes scanning for prey in the perpetual darkness. The colossal isopod, a giant louse-like creature, feasts on carrion at the bottom of the food chain, while the bioluminescent krill illuminate the waters with their twinkling dance, a vital food source for penguins, seals, and whales. Number 11. Life under ice. Beneath the vast Antarctic ice sheet, hidden like secrets in a vault, lie potential signs of life. NASA's Operation Icefire detected plumes of methane rising from beneath the ice, indicating the presence of microbial life within subglacial lakes. These lakes, isolated from sunlight for millions of years, potentially harbor ecosystems fueled by chemosynthesis, a process where organisms use chemical energy from sources like methane and sulfur instead of sunlight for sustenance. Imagine an entire world existing in perpetual darkness, driven by chemical reactions rather than photosynthesis. Studying these microbial communities could have profound implications for our understanding of life beyond Earth. Could similar ecosystems exist on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus? The discovery of life under Antarctic ice raises tantalizing possibilities for extraterrestrial life detection and expands our understanding of life's adaptability in extreme environments. Number 12. Largest continent. While Antarctica seems vast, stretching across a seemingly endless expanse of white, its true size might surprise you. Recent calculations, factoring in the surrounding ice shelves, reveal that Antarctica is actually the 5th largest continent by total area, almost twice the size of Australia. This revised measurement highlights the continent's significant role in influencing global climate patterns and ocean currents. Understanding Antarctica's true size is crucial for modeling sea level rise and predicting the impact of climate change on surrounding ecosystems. The massive ice shelves act as a buffer, holding back glaciers and preventing them from rapidly melting into the ocean. As these shelves shrink, due to warming temperatures, Antarctica's contribution to sea level rise is expected to increase, impacting coastal communities worldwide. Number 13. Statue in the middle of nowhere. In Antarctica's pole of inaccessibility, the most isolated spot on Earth, picture a lone statue. This moniker, which denotes the location furthest from any ocean and stands as a silent reminder of a daring Soviet undertaking from 6 decades ago, is well earned. Tractor trailers loaded with gear and prefabricated station components were the means by which an 18-man daring expedition of Soviet explorers reached this most elusive point in 1958. Once here, these gallant soldiers quickly erected a small but functional station, complete with a radio shack, 4-man tent, 65-foot radio antennae, and weather equipment. A plastic bust of Lenin was placed atop the hut to see Moscow in remembrance of their accomplishment. But after a month and a half, the station was abandoned because of its extreme isolation. While some slipped to safety, others were picked up by an arriving plane. It remained abandoned until the Soviets paid a visit in 1967. Only in 2007, 40 years later, would anyone return to the spot. This time, it was a British team that accomplished the first unassisted hike to this desolate outpost. In recognition of the unwavering spirit of the Soviet explorers who dared to journey to the very heart of Antarctic desolation, the buried station, its lone Lenin bust, and a commemorative plaque now stand as a historic monument. Number 14. Deserted whale-watching station. A haunting memory of the British-led whaling operation is currently present at an abandoned whaling station in the southern hemisphere. See a location devoid of lively activity and instead filled with eerie decay. All that's left of this once bustling site are rusting building frames and ship bones. Come into this gloomy space where the remains of the past are strewn and abandoned. Rusted steel chimneys that have collapsed line highways, while the interiors of abandoned power plants and dorms are in shambles. Imagine the chilly air from Antarctica creeping into cast iron bathtubs, beds, and mattresses, whispering tales of a past existence. Look at the enormous steel cylinders that were once filled with whale oil, but are now crushed and crumpled. The unrelenting winds of the Southern Ocean and the passage of time have sculpted the terrain into these terrifying panoramas. This abandoned place has been repaired, the debris cleaned up, and the environment made visitors safe. The howling winds continue, the station creaking and groaning in a symphony of abandonment and desolation. Old processing plant ventilator cowls revolve, and doors bang rhythmically as they have since the station was abandoned in 1965. The past preserved here serves as a reminder of how helpless humans are in the face of nature's relentless advance. Stepping through this time capsule, would you dare to hear history whispering in the moaning winds? Number 15. Warm coasts. While Antarctica conjures images of perpetual frost and biting winds, some coastal regions experience surprisingly warm temperatures during the summer months. Research has shown that coastal areas, particularly those with exposed rock surfaces, can reach temperatures as high as 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius during the peak of summer. This melting can create meltwater ponds and even temporary oases teeming with microbial life. These warm pockets offer valuable insights into how Antarctica might respond to a changing climate. As global temperatures rise, the extent of these meltwater zones could increase, potentially influencing ice sheet dynamics and altering the continent's delicate ecosystems. Number 16. Ice-free Antarctica. Imagine Antarctica not as a vast white desert, but as a verdant land adorned with lush forests and teeming with life. That's the picture painted by climate simulations based on data collected from deep ice cores and geological records. These models reveal that millions of years ago, before the planet plunged into an ice age, Antarctica enjoyed a warm and humid climate, similar to present-day New Zealand. This ice-free Antarctica supported diverse ecosystems, with fossil evidence pointing to the presence of conifers, ferns, and even flowering plants. Dinosaurs roamed the continent, leaving footprints in now-buried sediments. Number 17. Iron meteorites. Across the vast white expanse of Antarctica, amidst the biting winds and endless ice, lie scattered treasures from the cosmos, iron meteorites. These gleaming, otherworldly rocks, like fallen stars frozen in time, paint a fascinating picture of our solar system's early days and offer valuable insights into the building blocks of planets. Unlike their more ordinary rock counterparts, these iron meteorites hold a special allure. Formed in the fiery depths of asteroids millions of years ago, they crash crash-landed on Earth, some finding their final resting place in the frigid embrace of Antarctica. Here, the dry and cold climate acts as nature's perfect preservation chamber, shielding them from weathering and erosion. These celestial visitors come in a variety of shapes and sizes, some weighing just a few pounds, while others can reach monumental scales. But what makes them truly special is their composition. Their high iron content gives them a metallic sheen, a stark contrast against the white backdrop, making them easily identifiable by trained eyes. Number 18. Giant Meteorite. In 2020, researchers stumbled upon a monumental discovery in East Antarctica, a 165-pound meteorite, the largest found in the region for over 25 years. Nicknamed the Elephant, this colossal space rock landed roughly 450,000 years ago and remained buried beneath the ice until modern research unearthed it. Analyzing its composition will offer valuable insights into the formation and composition of asteroids, shedding light on the early building blocks of our solar system. The sheer size and relative freshness of the Elephant highlight the potential for further exciting discoveries in Antarctica's icy plains. With advanced technology and dedicated research efforts, who knows what other cosmic treasures might be waiting to be found beneath the frozen surface. Number 19. Gondwana Supercontinent. Imagine a world before continents as we know them, where Antarctica wasn't a lonely wanderer in the Southern Ocean, but a bustling heart within Gondwana, a vast supercontinent encompassing modern-day Africa, South America, India, Australia, and itself. This ancient jigsaw puzzle, pieced together through geological and fossil evidence, reveals a fascinating chapter in Earth's history, and Antarctica plays a crucial role in unraveling it. The story of Gondwana stretches back over 500 million years, when tectonic plates converged, stitching these landmasses together in a colossal landmass. Antarctica, nestled near the South Pole, enjoyed a warm and humid climate, supporting lush tropical rainforests and teeming with diverse life. The distribution of similar fossils on different continents, like ferns and Glossopteris trees, serves as silent witnesses to this shared past. As tectonic forces shifted once more, Gondwana began to break apart around 180 million years ago. Antarctica, slowly but surely, drifted southwards, its climate changing dramatically. The once lush forests succumbed to advancing glaciers, eventually transforming the continent into the icy wasteland we know today. Unlocking the secrets of Gondwana isn't just about maps and ancient geography. Number 20. Zelandia. Just east of Australia, submerged beneath the waves, lies a hidden continent named Zelandia. For many years, this landmass remained largely unrecognized, its existence obscured by the vastness of the Pacific Ocean. However, recent geological and geophysical studies have confirmed its presence, rewriting maps and our understanding of Earth's continents. Zelandia's emergence as a continent has significant implications for understanding plate tectonics, seafloor movements, and even the distribution of biodiversity. Additionally, the discovery of Zelandia has implications for resource exploration and conservation efforts in the surrounding waters. What do you think about these fascinating discoveries in the Antarctica? Let us know in the comments.